Why is Malayalam film fraternity so good and advanced? When it comes to the quality of the film, why Malayalam cinema always stands out so ahead of any other film industry? Is it true or it's just overrated? Let's take a look at this. Every year, some really good movies are being produced from the Malayalam movie industry. And sadly, there are a large number of pathetic movies also being churned out from there. This is applicable in movies from across the world. Then, what makes Mollywood quite different from any other movie industry? The main reason is us, we, the intellectual audience. In Mollywood, filmmakers can't fool the audience at all. Malayalis are generally better educated, well read, and have a higher level of art sensibility and understanding of movies. Thus, Mollywood is blessed to have such a bunch of sensible audience who supports the true spirit of cinema. So, their expectation is also at such a level. Keralites really don't care about mass scenes or mass movies and don't care too much about the hero worship. They always look up to what is revolving around them and they want such instant scenarios to be scripted. No matter who the protagonist is, if the script fails to impress the audience, the movie is to be doomed at the box office. Of course, necessity can do amazing things to creativity. Here comes the content into the scene. Mollywood is a content-driven industry for sure. Content is the only king and queen here. Isn't it quite strange to see a man fighting with an elephant and still ends up winning the battle only with muscle power? In some other industries, the perfect recipe for a blockbuster movie is a combination of a muscular hero, a heroine that looks like a Miss World, a couple of jaw-dropping fights, minimum 2 item songs, and average or below average storyline. But if anyone tries to mimic the same thing in Malayalam, it will fail miserably for sure. Now, the characters in Malayalam movies are not like the epic heroes with heavenly qualities, but individuals having all the weaknesses of human life. In fact, it's a slice of life. Malayalam never fails to impress with their content and making. They are outstandingly crafted and create a message that will stick with viewers, no matter which actor, be it superstars. If the content is crap, no one cares. Here, movies are mostly based on scripts rather than on stars. Malayalam industry has always been an eye-opener to the problem that common people are facing in our society. Hence, it's realistic and authentic. Realistic movies have already carved their path in Mollywood. In addition to dealing with the issue that are realistic, most Malayalam movies do not insert needless dance numbers and songs. If the story is good, rest doesn't matter. The kind of freedom that writers have been getting is also a prominent advantage of Malayalam movie. This very reason nurtures a lot of creative writers who focus on authentic, realistic stories. Mollywood has taught the world that the low budget can never collapse a good story. They create maximum out of whatever they have with advanced technologies. The highest sex ratio of Kerala is also reflecting in their movies. Mollywood gives prominence to women in their cinema as well as on the technical side. The way they dealt with female-oriented subject is a model for other industries. But is this great movie trend all new and refreshing? Is it a new phenomenon after all? I would say no. Malayalam had some talented, skillful, versatile writers even before, like M.T. Vasudevan Nair, Adu Gopalakrishnan, Padma Rajan, Lohit Das, Thagadi, and many more. They inculcated the feeling of good movies in us, and it's paying back now. However, the pace of such good scripts-oriented movies have increased drastically now. Thankfully, Malayalam cinema is in good, safe hands.